Hello, Bill West with BarbecueTricks.com. Today, spiral cut rotisserie pineapple. Just 4 ingredients. Here's what you need. Cane sugar or brown sugar, cocoa powder, butter, and a whole pineapple. Oh yeah, you're going to want that pitchfork rotisserie thingy that came with your grill that you've never used. Now's your chance. Now when you peel the pineapple, you can follow the eyes and kind of sculpt a spiral pattern alongside the sides, which will work great to hold the sugar, butter, and cocoa spackle that you're going to be using a little bit later on. Use something sharp to make a pilot hole for the spit to insert through the core of the pineapple for later. Rub it down with the cocoa and the sugar and the butter mixture, almost like a spice rub. And yeah, if I did it again, I'd put it on the spit before I rubbed it down, but that's okay. Make sure it's on the spit securely. I use pliers for this. And then set up the rotisserie with a drip pan underneath. Then let it roll. Lid down for 30 to 40 minutes depending on your grill. Then at the end, the fun part, spackle the pineapple grooves with that cocoa and sugar mixture. Then let it spin a little bit more to get golden brown. You want to show off during a party, just carve it right off the spit. You'll look so cool. And make sure you subscribe free on iTunes and YouTube here. Then get the recipe details and tricks, tips, other fun stuff, all at www.barbecuetricks.com.